Hey guys, I'm back again today, and I have Miss Phila for you. She's from the Boss Lace collection, and let's see, she's in color 1B. I'm sorry, TC 1B/30. They're calling it like money piece highlights, so I'm like, okay. And she's a 13x4, so that's always a plus. Plus these beautiful curls. I have the color that's on the model. I just had to have it. Look at that. So pretty. So let's get into. You got a comb. You got 3 combs up here, so that's nice. You got the light skin on there, and then you got let's see. You got 2 combs in the back with adjustable straps. I love the cap construction because they have a mesh cap on my hair all the way through. So yeah, I know I'm gonna love this. Let me go ahead and cut the lace and spray it, and I'll be right back. To get next with us, then not vex with us. From the day my bond, I'm a flame. Call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on. Stop when the beat drop, just keep swinging it. Get crunked up. Okay, so I just actually used my blow dryer since I had it out with my red tail comb and just held it down. So yeah, let's keep that in mind. And this is what I use as my masterpiece. This is the holding spray. So really any holding spray you got will keep it good. This is beautiful. This is it on the right side. This is it in the back. So she comes back down right here to my back. She's on the longer side, but not with being like too long, you know what I mean? I love this length. It's like a comfortable length for me. You can bring it to the front. This is beautiful. And I'm not gonna mess with the curls on it. Yeah, I'm actually gonna wear this out today. I think she's beautiful. She's easy to style. So all I really had to do, I used my even spray to tint her and my powder. And that was it. And I had to, kind of like, it's just the only drawback. Just put some holding spray on the sides to get those stuff hold down, and you should be fine. Unless you have sometimes this one didn't come with elastic strap, and I didn't tighten the ones in the back, so that might help as well if you didn't want to like have to stick it down with anything. But please like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys later. Toodles.